Okay. So yesterday, what was the topic? Nanu, what did I teach yesterday? What numbers was it? Can anyone tell me?
Prime numbers.
Correct. Prime numbers. So just to test nimge adu ಎಷ್ಟು understand ಆಯ್ತು, I'll give you one question. Okay. If you can tell me the answer, then it's fine. Idu number series question. The series is 6, 15, 26, 39, 56, 75 question mark. So ಈ question mark place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ that you should tell. So simple, ಇದು ascending order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. So subtraction, we should do it in this way, correct? So yeah, first, what is 15 minus 6?
9.
Yeah, 1 minute. Sorry, 6 alla idu 8. I'm sorry. What is 15 minus 8?
Ma'am, 7.
7, correct. Next two numbers, 26 minus 15.
Ma'am, 11.
11. 39 minus 26 is 13. Correct? You should be fast. Subtraction fast agi madbeku. You shouldn't take time. Okay? Next, 56 minus 39 is 2. You tell me, what is 56 minus 39?
Ma'am, 17.
17, correct. Next, what is 75 minus 56?
Ma'am, 19.
19. So, idu pattern nodi 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So, idain what pattern is this?
Prime numbers pattern.
Correct. So, illi next number ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ after 19? What is the next prime number after 19?
Ma'am, 23.
23, correct. Because after 19, 20 prime number alla. 21 is not a prime number. 22 is also not a prime number. So, next is 23. So finally, e question mark place alli, what is the final answer?
Answer is 98.
Yes, how did you get 98? 75 plus 23, 98. Correct?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಬೀಳ್ತಾನೆ ನಾನಲ್ಲ
So, idu artha aita? Did everyone understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, itara you can have different type of questions related to prime numbers. Okay, so that's why prime number series, at least first 20 prime numbers. Prime numbers starting 2, 3, 5, 7, then 11 and so on. So, itara at least first 20 prime numbers you should know. You should know the first 20 prime numbers. And so you can solve easily. Okay, number series alli nimge pattern artha agutte. Okay, you should not get confused with odd number series and prime number series, because e series idu nodidre it is confusing because it looks like odd number series, but idu odd number series alla. Okay, so you should understand that. You should not get confused. So take your time and answer it. Okay, so this is about prime numbers. Now number series alli different type of patterns ivaga explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, first question. 12, 4, 18, 6, 21 question mark. So idu order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? Is it in ascending order or descending order?
No, ma'am.
No, it is not in ascending or descending order. So subtraction nan hilde alva in any number series first you should check with subtraction. So idu ascending or descending enu illa, so your wish, you can take any order. So e order alli let's check. Okay, let's do subtraction in this order and check. First, what is 12 minus 4? 8. 12 minus 4 is 8. Next two numbers, 4 minus 18 is 2. Idu neevu heli, what is 4 minus 18?
14.
14.
Are you sure? Plus 14 or minus 14? Adu check ಮಾಡಿ. I'm
Minus
asking
14.
4 minus 18.
Minus 14.
ಅದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is very important because ನೀವು minus plus mistake ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ your final answer everything will be wrong. Correct? So that is very important. Plus or minus 14. This is minus 14. Next, what is 18 minus 6? 12.
12.
So you tell me what is 6 minus 21?
Minus 15.
Correct. So ivaga I hope you all understood. Okay, minus elli barutte plus elli barutte when you do subtraction. Okay, so this is the pattern. But ಈ pattern ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ do you see anything? ಇದು multiplication pattern ಅಲ್ಲ, prime numbers pattern ಅಲ್ಲ, not squares pattern, cubes pattern ಅಲ್ಲ, even number or ಏನು pattern ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Seeing these numbers, there is no pattern like that. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ after subtraction ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು pattern ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ your next approach, next step ಏನ್ check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? division. I'll tell you how to do. Just first write down the series. 12 4 18 6 21 and e number we should find out. So first group it into 2. Okay, two numbers pair up ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, so this is the series. ನಮಗೆ subtraction ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, but we did not get any pattern. So subtraction work out ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. So next move on to division. What is 12 divided by 4?
3.
3. Move next two numbers check ಮಾಡಿ. What is 18 divided by 6?
3.
3.
Yeah. See, so now pattern bantu. Division ge we got the pattern. It is 3 and 3. So ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
3.
3.
So what is this answer then? 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into 6 is 18. So 3 into 7. Correct. 3 into 7 is 21. So a question mark place 7 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Did you understand this?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
So any number series ನಾವು all these days ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? We first checked with subtraction. Correct? Every two numbers we did subtraction. But all number series question ಅಲ್ಲಿ subtraction ಇಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Right? So if subtraction pattern does not work, our next step is to do division. So in division, how? Group two numbers, these two. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ one pattern ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Based on pattern, next pattern ಏನು, we should find that out. Okay, so that's how it is done. We'll do one more like this. Next question. 7, 9, 15, 33, 87, question mark. You don't draw on the screen. Yeah. ಇದು you guys tell me, start with first step in difference, right? So you tell me, no, I will not tell the answer. I want you people to tell me. First difference ಏನು? 2. Yes. Next difference?
6.
Correct.
6.
Next. Yes. Next difference?
18.
80. Correct. Next difference?
54.
54.
Correct. So 2, 6, 18, 54 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. We should find out. So think, just take some pattern ನೋಡಿ and try to understand. Do you understand what the pattern is here? 2, 6, 18, 54. ಇದೇನು pattern? Did you understand? Just take your time, try think ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. What could it be?
Ma'am, the pattern is these numbers are multiplied 3.
Yeah, correct. It's multiplied by 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 3, 18. 18 into 3, 54. Next number in barutte. What is the next number? Anyone tell me what is the next number?
162.
Yeah, 162. How 162? 54 into 3. Correct. So what is the final answer?
162.
162. Yeah, pattern 162 is correct. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ final answer in barutte now. Pattern we got the pattern of 162. Final number in barutte. After 87, what is the next number in the number series?
$249.
Yeah, correct. How 249? 87 plus 162. That's it. 162, 249 is the final answer. Idu artha aita? Did everyone understand? This check ಮಾಡಿ and please tell me if you understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So any series, mostly it will be either multiplication, like the same number multiplication. So that way you can find. Now I'll give a different problem similar to multiplication. Three, 6, 18, 72, question mark. Into series. This is the series. So, okay, first, as usual, difference subtraction check madana. Okay, so yeah, tell me what is the differences. Difference, what is the first
Zero.
difference? First difference is 0. Next difference?
3.
3. Okay, next difference? 12. 18 minus 6, 12. Next difference?
54.
54. Modi, do you see any series here? Please mute your mic. Someone's mic is on. Okay. So you check Mari. Do you see any pattern here? 0, next 3, 1, 2, after 3, 12, after 54. Any pattern? Do you see a pattern here? Differentially, can you understand any pattern in this? Check ಮಾಡಿ, check all possibilities. Multiplication check ಮಾಡಿ, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ pattern ಇದೆಯಾ? If there is no multiplication, then again check for difference. If one check for squares, cubes, prime numbers, even number, odd number. Then any of the pattern match ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Please check that and tell me. Yeah, Evan, did you get it? There is no pattern ಇಲ್ಲಿ difference ಅಲ್ಲಿ because 0, 12, 54. Even if we division ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 into 3 or 0 into anything is 0. 3 ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. 3 into 4 is 12. 54 is not even a multiple of 12. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ subtraction in the we don't have any series. So what did I tell you? Subtraction workout ಆಗಿಲ್ಲರೆ what is the next step we should do? Division, correct. So division ali you don't have to always group it into andre you don't have to do it only this way. Even if we do it this way, 1 minute. Yeah, you don't have to always do it this way. Ivaga I'll let you know. 3, 3, 6, 18, 72 and this number. So we can group like this. First these two, then these two, then these two, these two. So tell me what is 3 divided by 3? First two numbers.
1.
3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Next, what is 6 divided by 3? Greater number divided by lesser number. So our follow mark. So what is 6 divided by 3?
2.
Yeah, 2. You will get this order. Right?
Next.
What is 80 divided by 6? What is 80 divided by 6 as 2?
3.
3, correct. Next two numbers. What is 72 divided by 18?
4.
By 18 much?
4.
4, correct. So you will pattern. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So next, what is the next number?
5.
So what is the final answer?
Anyone? Can you tell me what is the final answer? See, pattern answer again. What is pattern? 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 6, 6 into 3, 18, 18 into 4, 72. So what is the final answer? Okay, 72 and 5. Yeah, 360. In Baldu, did we add it or did we multiply it? Yeah, understood. That is 72 into 5. What is 360? 360 is the final answer. Okay, do you understand this? Yeah, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one, you people should solve. Okay, idu not help model. I'll give you 1 minute. You should solve it. 7, 25, 140, 140, 420, 840, and question mark. So you please tell me question mark. Please tell me which number do we get. Take your time. It's fine. And tell me. First step of change check mark. Number series. First step. What is the first step? Anyone tell me what is number series early now? First in math. What do we do when after number series early? What is the first step?
Subtraction.
Yeah, subtraction check. If subtraction pattern does not work, next step in way to
Division.
division. Correct. So same ಅದೇ technique apply ಮಾಡಿ and check for the series. ಇದು ascending order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. So if you have to do subtraction or division, ಈ order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Correct. Greater number minus smaller number. So ಈ order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So just check and tell me. First subtraction ಮಾಡಿ and tell me if you see any pattern. Did anyone get it? Or at least LRU subtraction try. Did you try subtraction? Everyone, asking everyone. Did you try subtraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So subtraction only. Yeah. Tell me.
Ma'am, 35 minus 7 is equal to 28.
Correct.
140 minus 35, 100.
105. Correct.
420 minus 140 is equal to 380.
Check ಮಾಡಿ once again. 420 minus 40.
280.
280 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, not 380. Again. Okay. Next difference.
840 minus 420 is equal to 420.
Okay. So subtraction 4 numbers ಬಂತು. ಆ numbers ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ pattern ಇದೆಯಾ? Did you understand any pattern there?
No, ma'am.
No, there is no pattern. If you want check in any possible way, multiplication, division, subtraction, there is no pattern there. So next step if there is no pattern using subtraction, next step ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
Division.
Division. So please check the division check ಮಾಡಿ and tell me what you're getting after dividing. Not 7 divided by 35. 35 divided by 7. How can you divide 7 by 35? 35 by 7. Greater number by small number. That is 5. Correct.
5.
Yeah. Next. What is next?
4. 4.
Okay. Yes. Next. Okay.
2.
Yeah. So ಇವಾಗ pattern ಇದೆಯಾ? Do you see a pattern here?
Yes, ma'am.
5, 4, 3 and 2. So what is this number?
1.
Correct. So final answer ಏನು?
Final answer.
Final answer 1 ಅಲ್ಲ. Pattern see pattern complete ಆಯ್ತು. Till here we got 5, 4, 3, 2. So next what is the pattern? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 is not the final answer. It is only the pattern. So now ನಮಗೆ pattern ಗೊತ್ತು. So using pattern, what is the final answer? Question mark basically what number will be for next number?
It is 840.
Yeah, correct. Again 840 simple. See 7 into 5, 7 5 is 35. 35 into 4 140. 140 into 3 420. 420 into 2 840. So next one ಬರುತ್ತೆ 840 into 1 which is equal to 40. So again after 840 next number is also 840 according to this pattern. Okay, so that is also correct. There is no rule. Next number again same number ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ there is no rule. It depends on the pattern. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ pattern ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 4 3 2 and ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬಂತು. So what is the final answer? 840 into 1 is again 840. So again ಇಲ್ಲಿ 840 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 840 is the correct answer. Can you understand this? This ಆಯ್ತಾ? This
Yes,
concept?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is important. Check type of subtraction, check mode 2. If you don't see any pattern, then you should check all possibilities. Okay, subtraction after subtraction, multiplication check ಮಾಡಿ, division check ಮಾಡಿ, prime numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, squares and cubes. Do you remember we discussed about squares and cubes? Do you all remember that? Squares of numbers, cubes of numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you should check all those patterns of subtraction. ಏನು pattern ಇಲ್ಲಂటే next step is to divide the number series. Like divide every two, just check it. Okay. So yeah, that's it for today. If anyone has doubt, you can ask me now. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then that's it today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you.